Hello everyone, welcome to the Knowledge Hub. In the previous video of methods of calculating national income, we discussed about income method. In income method, we talked about components of factor income, which is compensation of employees, rent and royalty, interest, profit and mixed income. In this video, we will discuss about components of factor income in brief. Let's start. Components of factor income. First, compensation of employees (COE). It refers to the amount paid to the employees for rendering their productive services. It includes all the direct and indirect income received by the employees. It contains three elements. First, wages and salaries in cash. Second, wages and salaries in kind. Example, free flat, free petrol, expenses, etc. And the third element is employer's contribution to social security scheme. Example, retirement, pension, etc. Second, rent and royalty. Rent refers to the amount receivable by the landlord from tenant for use of his land. Whereas royalty is the income received for granting leasing rights of subsoil assets, payment for using my name on their product. In हिंदी, रॉयल्टी इनकम एक तरह से बिल्कुल किराए के इनकम की तरह है जो किसी विशेषाधिकार संपत्ति या सेवा को इस्तेमाल में देने से प्राप्त होती है। इस तरह की आय को किताब के लेखक के लिए रॉयल्टी इनकम कहा जाता है क्योंकि किताब के लेखक ने प्रकाशक को अपनी किताब छापने और उसे बेचकर लाभ कमाने का विशेषाधिकार दिया हुआ है। Third, interest यानी ब्याज. It refers to the amount received for lending funds to a productive unit. Interest on such loans which are given for some productive resources are included. For example, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट यूनिट को जैसे कि बैंक, म्यूचुअल फंड्स एक्सेट्रा को एक रकम देने पर जो पैसा मिलता है ब्याज के तौर पर उसे ही इंटरेस्ट कहते हैं। फोर्थ, प्रॉफिट यानी फायदा. It is a reward to an organization for its contribution in production of goods and services. Profit earned by an enterprise is used for three purposes. First purpose, corporate tax, profit tax or business tax are included in this. Second purpose, dividend or distributed profit. And the third purpose is retained earnings. Undistributed profit, reserve and surplus, saving or private sector. Profit is equal to corporate tax plus dividend plus retained earnings. Fifth, mixed income. It refers to the income generated by own account workers like farmers, barbers, etc. Enterprises like retailers, small shopkeepers, etc. मिक्स इनकम arises from productive services of self-employed person. मिक्स इनकम का मतलब वैसा इनकम जो खुद पे निर्भर कमाने वाले लोगों का होता है, इसमें हम लोग आते हैं. I hope you understand. For any query, please contact on Gmail knowledgehub.aa11@gmail.com. If you want to know about methods of calculating national income, then watch our previous video. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe Knowledge Hub.